Guys, we're back with a brand new unpackaging video. This is P. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe now. That way you can stay up to date with all the latest unboxing and unpackaging videos. So let's go ahead and open this up. This was actually ordered from EASTBAY, and I had a coupon, a gift card for $10 off and free shipping. So I was scrolling through and I found this classic that I always wanted, even back in the day, back in the mid and late 90s. So let's check it out. As you can see, the Reebok classic box, the little grooves in the cardboard. The box is a little beat up right there, a little damaged, but it's all good. Just give it a little bit more character and flavor. And Reebok classic 9.5 is the size. I went true to size. I probably could have went up a half size because I think these may fit a little narrow, but we'll check it out. Detailed look at the box. So let's flip the lid up. Reebok paper. And first off, you see the main feature of this shoe, the ice blue bottom. And these are crisp, super crisp. And now looking at the shoe, I can tell once I lace them that the length will definitely be on point, so that will match the width. Oh, these are so crisp and lightweight. So you know Reebok is doing it real big in 2016 with the Kendrick Lamar collaboration on the classics. And like I said, I was just scrolling through seeing if it was any deals, and I ran across this, which is your Reebok classic white leather ice blue colorway. Super clean, crispy clean. The white laces definitely pop. And for me, as far as the Reebok classics, my favorite would have to be these, and also the white ones with the gray strip going across the bottom. Some other colorways are pretty cool too, with a mixture of the gum bottom, maybe on the black ones or whatever. But during this time period when these released, I was only really about white sneakers and keeping them crisp, with the toothpaste on the sole, with the Joy dish detergent on the sole. But now it's all about the shout. You get the shout from Walmart or a local department store. Keep your soles extra crisp. But just look at that blue. And see, back then, even now, with light colored blue jeans or white jeans, this ice is definitely gonna pop. And it definitely made way with other brands that we know throughout the last 10 years especially. Alright, so we're gonna start from the toe box, where you get a hit of that ice blue, coming up to the white, 2-row perforation, white flat laces, the tongue with the Reebok classic emblem logo, and that is stitched and embroidered throughout to the side with the Reebok, your British flag, on your side you have your Reebok stripes emblem. On the back, this is not embroidered, but Reebok in gray. Take a look at the inner. Now let's take a look at the inside. Crisp white sock liner, the footbed with Reebok in it, and behind the tongue. And that's your information on these. Yeah. So most definitely, this was a pickup I'm glad to get in 2016. And we'll take a look from the top to the bottom. And also, just besides some other colors that I think would bring it out. Ice, crispy white, summertime, springtime, or any time, depending on where you are and how crisp you can keep these comfortable sneakers. Only thing about Reebok Classics is the hold up, how well they can withstand wear and tear and daily activity. As far as you may want to order some decreasers. But once again, tell me what you think. Let me know if you got these recently. Let me know if you had these back in the day. And hopefully you was able to get these recently under 50 bucks. A lot of stores have them. You may can find for 39 up to 74. But check out EASTBAY. Shout out to them. That's who I placed my order with. And I was excited about opening these up. Good leather. Low cut. Men's. Reebok Classic. Ice. Look at the treads. Thumbs up. This is P. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and be on the lookout for more unboxing and unpackaging videos, reviews, throwbacks, and stay in tune. Peace.